Okay, so Bert, we're going to ask you to tell us your name and where you're from, and then we want you to tell us what you appreciate about the Basque culture. What's your favorite part about the Basque culture? Okay?
Okay. My name is Bert Petan Ossinalde. I'm born in Lhasa, Basque Navarre, in Basque country. I'm coming to the States about 55 years old. I work at Basque Bakery, 27 years. I'm retired for bakery business. I'm involved with a 6-7 Basque club in California, and I'm playing most of the time. I'm be qualified de nouveau June 18 to play in Chino. I'm all this festival. I'm very happy. All this bus festival. And I enjoy it. All these people. If you need more, I'm okay, and I'm enjoy it for all this stuff.
So you play a lot of moose.
Yes,
What do you like about playing moose?
I'm member for 7 club, and United States in Nabo, and I'm play all over. And my partner is Tony Campos. He got a fly to him all together, and I'm enjoy it all the time. And this time I'm again qualified for go at places. And after that, I'm play to before pilota, handball, Basque handball. I'm running Basque pilota to Spanish side and the French side, both of them.
You mean when you were still over there?
Yeah, still now I'm follow up YouTube all these games. Today is a final Basque country Spanish side. I don't know results yet, but I want to find out soon. Okay, okay, it's good.
Yes. Thank you.